Alright, now we're going to talk about a common error where you run the Telegram trigger, it starts listening here, but for some reason, no matter how many messages you send to your Telegram bot, it doesn't do anything. How do we fix this? Well, I understand there are multiple ways. The first is to ensure that this happens because we're in local, right? We're running locally. So first, we're going to make sure we're running locally through a platform like ngrok, okay? We ensure that when we press tab and type webhook, okay, a link appears here that isn't localhost, alright? This link here, it shouldn't be this link, but the webhook action link, okay? On the other hand, we make sure the bot is correct and so on. I understand that most of you have already done this. Why does it keep thinking, and even though you send messages, it doesn't respond? Well, what's really happening is that the Telegram is sending the webhook, okay? It's sending the direct message. Hey, we're receiving this, okay? What's happening? It's N8 and that isn't able to receive that information, okay? I recommend you stop sending messages to Telegram because that information will keep piling up, and what happens? Later, when you run the workflow, you'll receive them all at once, okay? And that doesn't make sense. So to start, if you've sent several messages and haven't received a response, don't worry, okay? What should you do? Solution. Well, basically, those who already have ngrok, grab it, close it, and reopen it. That's it, really, huh? It might seem silly, but that's the solution, okay? First, have ngrok set up. Do it through ngrok. And once you have ngrok, which you already have a video about somewhere, it's happened to me that despite having ngrok, it keeps thinking and thinking, and you're like, what's going on? I've done the same thing as before, and it worked then. We'll just restart it. Not restarting the computer, but restarting the ngrok cmd, the command prompt, and that's it, okay? I know it seems like a bit of a disappointing solution, but it is what it is. I hope you enjoyed it.